The human eye, a window to the world. But what happens when that window goes dark? Not because of the eye itself, but because the cable connecting it to the brain, the optic nerve, is damaged. For millions of people, this isn't a hypothetical question. It's a daily reality. The optic nerve is an incredible bundle of over 1 million delicate fibers called axons. Think of it as a high-speed data cable sending visual information from your eye to your brain. But here's the challenge. Unlike your skin, which can heal after a cut, nerve cells in your central nervous system, including the optic nerve, don't easily regrow. For a long time, damage to this vital connection meant permanent vision loss. But what if that's about to change? New research is rewriting what we once thought was impossible. At places like Harvard Medical School, scientists are using gene therapy to essentially turn back the clock on retinal cells. By reactivating certain youth genes like P10 and SOX3, they've managed to coax the optic nerve in mice to begin regrowing. Astonishingly, these regrown nerves even started sending signals to the brain again. It's a groundbreaking first step, showing that regeneration isn't just a fantasy. But gene therapy isn't the only approach. Imagine rebuilding a highway for nerve signals. That's what some researchers are doing using tiny nanofiber scaffolds. These structures provide a physical guide for the severed nerve endings to grow along. Paired with gentle electrical pulses that encourage growth, this method helps bridge the gap left by injury, giving the signals a path to follow. Then there are those who are thinking even further outside the box. What if we could bypass the damaged nerve entirely? This is the world of optogenetics and brain implants. By inserting light-sensitive proteins into brain cells and using implants to send light signals directly to the visual cortex, scientists are creating a form of digital vision. It's not the same as natural sight, but for someone living in total darkness, it's a revolutionary glimpse of light. And let's not forget the incredible potential of stem cells. Scientists are now able to reprogram ordinary cells, like skin cells, and turn them into brand new retinal neurons. The ultimate goal is to use these new cells to rebuild the entire connection, from the eye all the way to the brain, restoring the natural pathway of sight. So, can we regrow the optic nerve? The honest answer is not yet, not fully in humans, but we are closer than we have ever been. The line between biology and technology is blurring, and with each new discovery, hope grows stronger. The future of sight is being rebuilt, one neuron at a time. If this story opened your eyes to the wonders of science, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.